Welcome to a dance recital by Archana Narayanamurthy. Archana Narayanamurthy is a professional Bharatanatyam dancer who's been performing for more than a decade in India and Dubai. She had started at the age of 4 under the tutelage of Temple of Fine Arts International and is presently fostering her perpetual accomplishments under the able guidance of her guru Panthanallur S. Pandian. She is the proud recipient of the Yuvakala Bharati and the MGR Award from Music Academy. She is presently the director of Panthanallur School of Arts, training budding talents in India and Dubai. Today, Archana will be accompanied by Panthanallur S. Pandian on the Natuvangam, AVR Roshni on the vocal, T. Vishwanathan on the Mridangam, N. Muthukumaran on the violin, and E. Devaraj on the flute. Nrityanjali is an invocatory item beseeching the blessings of the cosmic Lord Shiva. This piece is set to Adi Talam and Hamsanandi Ragam, composed by Mayavaram T. Vishwanathan.
Tading gunna tum dam, tading gunna tum tading gunna tum dam, tading gunna tum dam, tading gunna tum. Sani dama gama gama gari gari, ga madani sani dama gama gama gari gari, ga madani. Tading gunna tum dam, tading gunna tum dam. Tading gunna tum. Sani dama gama gama gari gari, ga madani sani dama gama gama gari gari.